with our special B&Q cleaner, but it still needs a little bit of wire wool because that's not really accurate. It scratches it clean, but and also it cleans out the leading edge out. Then we want flux. So put that bit aside. Oh no, put that bit aside. We've already done this one, haven't we? Yeah, we cleaned that one up, so we've got to give it a bit of this. Bit of wire wool. Flux all round.
So flux only on the outside?
Only on the outside, yeah. And then we want the fitting, which we clean the inside of that out. Once again, there is a tool for doing that as well. Right, so I like to make sure the end of it gets cleaned as well. Make sure, flux.
Flux on the inside of the joint?
Yeah, on the inside, then that in. And a bit for joining in. Make sure that they're well pushed up. Then solder. Once again, the solder, give it a clean. Give it some flux. Different types of solder. Some solders you don't need the flux because they're fluxed. Warm the joint up. When the flame goes green, you know it's hot, but it will actually be warm enough just before it goes green. The copper starts to change colour. I like to make sure there's plenty of solder on it. There we go. And then wait for the solder to solidify, and then wipe the surplus flux off. Careful not to touch it because it's bloody hot. There we are, job done.